this pandemic. Breaking connections to the world. Empowering language on humanity. Let's bring the world of learning in one channel. Welcome to Business Combinations English TV.
Hello, magandang buhay, Disabesians, and to other dear students. This is Mamay, your grade 10 English teacher, for another fruitful learning episode in Disabes MNHS English TV. Welcome to English 10 class. This video lesson covers week 6 to 7 in quarter 1 in your Pivot 4A Learner's Pocket. Our topic is about evaluating and making judgments. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to establish a sense of objectivity in evaluating a picture, text, and/or performance using a set of criteria. Let us begin our lesson in evaluating this picture. What can you say about this painting objectively and subjectively? First, you may state that the subject in the painting is a girl. This information is objective. It is because the information is factual and based on observations and measurements. Let's have another statement. The girl looks sad and is about to cry. This time, the statement is subjective. It is because the information is based on personal opinion, judgment, feelings, or point of view. Now, class, it is important that you know the difference between subjective and objective point of view in evaluating a text or performance. Why? This is to avoid being biased or unfair in making judgments. Now, using criteria have become helpful tools in establishing objectivity when you are evaluating a text or performance. Now, in making judgments, it is necessary that evaluators form a sense of objectivity. Being objective means being fair. There is no presence of bias. Now, in evaluating, your personal feelings or opinions should be detached from the act of judgment. Remember that objectivity or being objective allows the evaluator to develop a sound and fair judgment simply because it is factual. Now, here are the most common indicators or criteria when you are evaluating a text like essay, speech, short stories, and the likes. The first one is content. It refers to the idea, concept, focus, or details of the subject matter as discussed in the text. The content is relevant because it gives you the idea, concept, details, and focus of the text that you are evaluating. Now, number 2 indicator is cohesion. It refers to the connection and organization of words, phrases, ideas, concepts presented in the texts. Let's have an example of a paragraph that shows cohesion. Costa Rica is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Located in Central America, it borders Nicaragua to the north and Panama to the south. The southern part of Costa Rica is characterized by dense rainforests, which contain some of the world's most unusual wildlife. Some of the most interesting creatures found in these forests include tree frogs, white-faced monkeys, and sloths. Hoping to get a bird's eye view of these animals, tourists take zip-lining tours through the top canopy of the rainforest. Now, this paragraph has a cohesion because it follows an old and new information pattern. Take a look at the first sentence. It introduces the topic about Costa Rica and its relation to the world. The second sentence tells its location in the world. The third sentence continues with more details on a specific part of Costa Rica. Each sentence is closely related to one another. That clearly shows that connection and organization of the paragraph is present. This is what we call cohesion. Now we go to indicator number 3, which is grammar. Grammar deals with fluency and accuracy in terms of language structure and facility. Grammar is the set of rules in English that is used to ensure the correct use of language. It is a vast subject that deals with parts of speech, subject and verb agreement, tenses of the verbs, and other related topics. Now we go to number 4. It is mechanics. It refers to the accuracy in punctuations and capitalization. Punctuation marks are used in writing to separate sentences and their elements to clarify meaning. Capitalization, on the other hand, applies when you use a proper noun like John F. Kennedy. You also capitalize a letter when it is at the beginning of the sentence. And then we have number 5, word choice. It deals with appropriateness of words, especially in terms of depth and level of formality. Your choice of words have power. You have to remember that because it has great effect on your readers. And the last indicator is the tone. It refers to the emotion or feelings attached as expressed by the texts. The tone also indicates the writer's attitude. And again, to sum up the indicators when you are evaluating and judging a text, check the following. We have content, cohesion, grammar, mechanics, word choice, and tone. And now it is time to answer your learning tasks. On Monday, you're going to examine this painting or picture below, and you will answer the questions that are in your module. On Tuesday, you're going to listen to the song entitled To Love Again, rendered by Vanya Castor and Daryl Ong. Assess their similarities and differences by answering the questions below. The link to this song is indicated below. On Wednesday, you're just going to read and study evaluating and making judgments on pages 29 to 30. And on Thursday, read and examine the poem below written by Jose Lavilla Tierra, a famous poet hailed from Atimonan, Quezon. In this task, learning task number 3, you're going to answer the following questions about the poem A Ballad of a Mother's Heart. And it's time. That ends our lesson for today. Always be safe and happy learning. Thank you for watching and God bless you.